these companies do three things. One is the packaging. So I was talking about like either you take it from Apache and download and install and do all this thing. That's hard, making sure all the installations are right and everything. What these companies, they give you a package. They give you a bundle. Okay, take this bundle, and they call it different names. Some call them bundles, some call package, different names. But end of the day, it's the packaging of all those softwares which I was talking to you and give it together. And what they do is they ensure, because every project has version, like Pig version 4, I version 1.3, all that thing. How will they work together each other? They may not work together. That version of Pig may not be working with Hive or MapReduce and this kind of thing. So who will ensure? That's a lot of work to make sure that is working. These companies do that, and that's the service they provide. They package it, test in the sense that make sure that these components work. It's not like a chaos. It's still a decent zoo, which you can go around, and it's not like a jungle out there. So they just make sure that is happening for you. But their main money is this, support. Support is their bread and butter, the most of the revenue, because my companies can always question, I can do that effort. I can hire 2 admins and 2 developers who can do the packaging and things for me. Why do I need you? This is what they need, support. If your Hadoop implementation on Cloudera have broken, you can call Hadoop support and they will solve you the problem for you. So that's what companies pay the money for. They also do training. They have the knowledge, skills, and they definitely provide. This is more focused for corporates because minimum is $4,000 plus the training, any training. And they are within 3-4 days, which I think has become, I've gone to Amazon's training, I've gone to Hortonworks training, I've seen many of those. What happens, it becomes too challenging. Somehow they have the expectation that you know most of these foundational things and you get started. But not everybody knows. And if you're not, you're lost. You are gone. From day 1 itself or day 2, you're checked out. That's the unfortunate part of it. But they expect like most of the things are done. Already are understood. So that's the challenge which I feel is suitable for corporate environment, but not individuals have difficulty price-wise and that reason which I said. So that's kind of what these companies are doing. Any question on that? I think I'm not going in each company. That's too much to, and there are many of them specifically, but that's high level. These are 3 things they are doing everybody, but there are other things which they are not doing differently. So then the question is, why would I need different companies, right? So each one is trying to do something different. I'll give you an example. Amazon is doing on the cloud. So everything on the infrastructure on the cloud instead of the data center. So that's their strength. Hortonworks says, we don't change the flavor. We just give you sugar. We just give the original. So that is good from their perspective. It is good. There are some reasons for that. So there's people who want original, they go for Hortonworks. Some people say, no, I don't like the original. I want the flavor to be changed and enhanced and maybe better and fast, easier, all that. So, and MapR does some of that. It changes a lot. I'm not going to do too much specifics of that, but it changes a lot. So each company does something different. Otherwise, how will they differentiate or get value? So that's what is